Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Trading for Living Monday's live program. We are almost 1 hour into the trade. Markets have gapped up and they are just hovering at around day's high levels. You can see Nifty opened higher, almost 150 points plus, and it is hovering around 18,000 in futures. After a long time, Nifty is crossing 18,000 levels. Bank Nifty also is trading around 41,300 levels. Bank Nifty has opened within yesterday's range. Nifty has actually gapped up, but Bank Nifty has opened within the range and has made few red candles in the last 1 hour. Well, where will the market go from here? This live program is for active traders who want to take few intraday positions during the day, mainly in index based trading. It could be Nifty or Bank Nifty. If you are a trader or if you aspire to become a trader, you need to have a very systematic approach, and in that objective we help or we coach traders in adopting a mechanism for day-to-day trading activities. This Trading for Living program is with the main objective of creating good traders community, creating active traders in the country so that they can make a living out of stock markets. We strongly believe stock market is a very nice place to make a living out of it with very little investment and little bit of psychological management, little bit of risk management. You can definitely beat the market and make some good returns over a period of time. If you want to really learn how to make a living out of trading, then you need to join for this Trading for Living program, wherein we teach and we handhold traders in every single trade. We guide them, we make them realize what were the mistakes in the trades and how they have to approach the market, how they should start viewing the market. So every day, Monday to Friday, we are live, generally from 9:30 to 10:30 for about 1 hour in the morning. So in case you people are interested in adopting trading as a full-time career, then this is the place to be. Do visit our YouTube channel every day in the morning for 1 hour's live program, and also for getting good insights into the market directions. Nifty is hovering around 18,000 levels and Bank Nifty around 41,300 levels. So if you have to really do the trades now, where is your next entry? Do you have a plan of action for identifying your next entry into the trade? If you are planning to trade in stocks, then you can check what few stocks are doing, prominent stocks. For example, SBI, again it has opened within the range and it has shown quite a few negative candles or red candles in last 1 hour. So where is the entry point for SBI in intraday charts? Generally people ask me, what is the best time frame to trade intraday? I would always tell people, if you are trading intraday, then the best approach would be using the 15 minutes candle. There are traders who trade 1 minute chart, there are traders who trade 5 minutes chart, 10 minutes chart, 15 minutes chart. So my approach is, because we are trend followers, because my approach is more of trend following philosophy, we want market to do certain things before entering. In a 5 minutes chart, it is very difficult to gauge whether market has done really anything at all. So if you are using 5 minutes chart or any chart less than 15 minutes, then you should wait for lot more candles. So in a 60 minutes trade or 1 hour trade, 5 minutes will give you almost 10 to 12 candles. So there are going to be 12 candles in 1 hour of trade. If you are trading a 15 minutes chart, then in 1 hour of observation you will be able to see or make the decision just based out of 4 candles. So it is important, you identify your time frame and you identify the duration of the observation of that time frame. If you are in 1 minute chart, then it becomes, if you are observing a 1 minute chart and if you are just checking for 10 minutes, what has the market done in 10 minutes, in the last 10 minutes? That means you are seeing 10 candles, but your observation time frame is just 10 minutes. In a 15 minutes chart, you are observing only 4 candles, but your observation duration is about 1 hour. So there is a big difference between the chart duration and the chart or the candle timings. So you need to be very careful. You should observe for larger period of time duration and with minimum candles so that you can make good decisions. So is it possible to do a intraday trading with 1 hour candle? But then 1 hour candle, if you are observing in 1 hour of observation, you will have only 1 candle to make a decision from. So which again is very difficult to make a decision. So my rhythm or my approach has always been to use the 15 minutes candle in intraday trading chart. So for swing or positional trading, then I use a longer time frame, wherein I use the 1 hour candle and I observe the market for about 4 hours or almost a day. So it is important, you have a 1 minute chart, then you have to observe 60 candles in a 1 hour time frame. You have a 5 minutes chart, then you have to observe 12 candles for that same 1 hour of duration. Or you can use the 15 minutes chart and observe 4 candles and make a decision on the 1 hour of market movement. So this is how you need to view the chart. It's important you make a time frame decision beforehand, before starting the trading activities. Time frame and duration of the time observation is very, very important. Many people don't realize what does it mean by duration of observation. You need to, like a doctor, when you are observing a patient, they will observe a patient for about 1 day or 24 hours or 48 hours. It's only then they make a decision. Similarly, here when you have to make a decision whether on the buy side or on the sell side, you need to observe the movement for at least 1 hour and then make a decision which side the market might go rest of the day. So to observe for 1 hour, what is the best approach? You can have 1 minute, 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I have always found using 15 minutes charts to be the best approach for intraday trading. If you have any other better approach, it is always good to stick to your own approach which is yielding results for you. If your approach is not yielding results, then start with us in a 15 minutes time frame and see if you can generate any trades in 15 minutes chart. So Nifty just about 18,000 for last almost 1 hour, not moving much. SBI shown few red candles and made a downward movement in the opening. Reliance again, first 1 2 and 3 candles are up and started coming down. It's doing nothing much. Hindustan Lever, no movement. ICICI Bank showing downward trend, downward slope. Then ACC already in the upward trajectory. ACC 2378 has made a high of 2393, has opened around 2300 levels, and it has already moved 100 points with good volumes also. Maybe you can trade ACC if you get right levels. If you want to know what is the next entry point for ACC, do put a query and then we will help you out in having a trade in ACC. Looks like there is a glitch in the video. So, Adani Enterprises, most stocks have actually opened flat, or I would say gapped up and trading flat. All the stocks have opened higher compared to previous day's close, but for the last 1 hour markets have been trading at a very narrow range. Ambuja Cement and ACC, we have seen big movement in ACC. Ambuja Cement also has shown upward movement. So maybe the cement stocks are having slightly upward traction today. India Cement again doing good. Shree Cement again opened higher and showing a upward path. So we are seeing some of the cement stocks doing well today. Pharma, not much movement in Sun Pharma, not much movement in Cipla. Dr. Reddy, downward trend. So we can see many of the stocks which have opened higher are not able to sustain. Either they have opened higher and trading in a very narrow range for last 1 hour, or they have already started showing the downward slope in few of the stocks, except the cement stocks which are actually now having a upward movement. Again, Bank Nifty not doing anything much. Bank Nifty has not even gapped up, unlike Nifty which has at least gapped up and staying on a higher range. Bank Nifty has not even gapped up. It has just opened within previous day's close range and It is trading slightly positively but with not much upward momentum. So if you have to really take a trade in Bank Nifty, where you think is your next trade in Bank Nifty? If you want to know very specifically how to go about trading the Nifty or the Bank Nifty, if you are interested in identifying the exact levels, do ping us in our chat box. We will definitely be able to help you. Generally, we are live Monday to Friday. Do subscribe to the Banao Bharat YouTube channel. The whole objective of Banao Bharat project is to create independent traders who can trade for their living. So that is the whole objective of Banao Bharat. As part of this project, we have created this course called Trading for Living, wherein we teach